Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the golden rules for trading. Trading is not a certainty, it's a probability. There is a big difference for a probability and certainty. Okay. Today the English language video. Beginners to intermediate course will be conducted okay for free. First 7 points already covered in our channel. Today we will be discussing the Camara pivot important levels. Okay. Camara pivot is many levels, but we have discussed only for important levels. Okay, come let's do the topic. Camera pivot levels formula this is okay. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. 5 resistance is for a camera pivot. Then L1, L2, L3, L4, L5 is a supporting level. The 5 and 5, so 10 resistance for a camera pivot levels. So first one, how to calculate this? You just mark it for the previous day high, previous day low, and previous day close. Then you will be calculated for a 10 support and resistance lines. But don't need for a every time. This indicator is available in TradingView website for free without calculation. Then we will see how to apply the Camara pivot levels in a TradingView for a free. Okay, first one H1 is a non-trading zone. Okay, H2 also don't trade it, but H3 is a very important for a sell reversal. Then L3 is a buy reversal. Just understand the 10 points, just two only for a most important levels. Then H4 is a break for a take buy entry. When H4 is break, then you can take for a buy entry. When L4 break, you can take for a sell entry. Target L5, then here is target for H5. We will see the chart, then you will be understand for easier. Okay. Camera pivot levels. Okay. This is the H3. This is the L3. You see here is a H3 for a opening candles, then it will be reverse for a near to the L3, then reverse for a H3. When the L3 or H3 is broken, then L4 is breakout or H4 is breakout, then target for a H5 or L5. Okay, for which side? Any side. Okay, buy or sell. Then here for a L3 is breakout, but L4 not breakout here. Then L4 breakout here. This candle, right? But target is L5. Smoothly for a movement in a L4 to L5. This is the sell trend. Then we will see the another one example. H3 here, this dark green line. L3 here is the dark red line. First candle is break for the H3, but H4 does not break out. Okay, don't take any buy entry. This candle is a break for a H4. Then take profit for a H5. Then the trend is very uptrend. This time we will be using for a 8 EMA and 20 EMA. Already this moving average secret is covered in our channel. If you do not see that video, just go through our channel and checklist. Okay. Okay. Take buy entry for a H4. Target is H5. This is the basic level for a H3 and L3 is very important. Then we will be see the how to apply in the TradingView software. Okay. Come, let's go to the chart. This is the Nifty chart. Okay, go to the indicator step. Just click, then type for a camera. Okay. Okay, this is the camera pivot. The indicator is applied here. Just enlarge the price. Okay. Already we filter one. This camera is just turn off. These two indicators are same. Okay, but I just filter the and color variation is many altered here. Okay, this is the today Nifty chart. This is the H3. This is the L3. L1, L2, H1, H2. H4 is break. Okay, for a first candle. Then H5 is touch here. But we have discussed only for H3 and L3 only for important levels. H4 and H5, L4 and L5, we do not discuss about that because the uptrend, when you see the narrow CPR already, you know about that. Then you will take the entry for a narrow CPR for opening balance market, then breakout. You can take profit for a H5. Okay, this is the H3. See the reversal. This is the H3. This is the L3. See how is it moment. See first candle opening for H3. Sorry, L3. Then it will be uptrend for a H3. The H3 is breakout. Then it will be a long uptrend. The H3 and L3 is main important things for day trading. Okay. If you just add for a CPR indicator, then you will be see for a more support levels. But we have just turn off for a another levels because the R1, S1. Okay, just turn off it. Okay, this is the CPR. Then near to the H3. Okay, for this type of trading days, you can just follow for the CPR and Camarilla pivot. You can just turn off the H2, H1, okay, H4, H5, then L1, L2, L4, L5. H3 and L3 only for a enabled indicator in now. Okay, when the CPR inside the H3 or L3 is formed, that day the breakout for a CPR does not for any movement. Don't break out because the strong support for here CPR plus H3 or L3 anyone. Okay, here. Okay, CPR, then inside the L3, but here for a H3 to reverse for the L3 first time, then second time it will be broke for CPR and L3, then it will be reversed, then for a downtrend. So when you see the CPR and inside the H3 or L3 is a very strong support for a that day. Okay, this day for a white CPR, then sideways. This day for a narrow CPR is a trending. Then another one important level for a H3 and L3. The H3 and L3 is very near. That day is a form for a narrow CPR. When H3 and L3 is very wide, that day is also for a sideways day. But here for a CPR is breakout, then it will be a downtrend. Same thing. Here is a narrow CPR, but not any trend here. Okay. So trading is not a certainty, it's a probability. Just mind in store for you. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thank you to all. Next video is a basic price actions. Don't miss it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.